So, hello, once again, I'm back on my old trustworthy Lenovo Legion 5 Pro AMD edition. As always, I'm recording and streaming. Today is on the YouTube live service, and let's check out if the stream is working properly. So here we are, and yep, works just fine. So without pausing the stream, let's go here. This is the system information. As you can see, I'm back on my KaOS Linux Niri Noctalia. Pay attention to the screen resolution, which is basically 2K resolution running at 165 Hz. However, I'm recording and streaming today in 2K resolution but 60 FPS. Also pay attention in the graphics card, which is NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 mobile or Max-Q if you prefer. Anyway, I'm already started stress testing the system, so to speak. This is the cinematic of Final Fantasy XIV, an MMORPG game, basically. So let's log in, and it's the one that's called, as you can see, the expansion called Dawn Trail. It's the latest expansion with all the latest patches, etc. Content patches, that is. And today, basically, I wanted to have a stress test of the system. So while I have the game loaded, up and running in the main city, in the city hub, however you want to call it, I'm going to load many apps and stress test the system. And this is a real test for this system because it's not a new one. It was never maintained, you know, like open it up, clean up the GPU and CPU paste, etc. And this is an actual stress test because today it's very hot in here, almost 30 degrees. And trust me when I say for Stockholm, Sweden, this is insanely hot. Anyway, so the test has already started, as I said before. Oops, wrong click there. Here I am in the main city, running about 30 FPS, not surprising, because this system is not as powerful as the other one, but as you can see, it picks up the slack. And trust me when I say this place is full of plenty of people playing. And right now I will go and run outside this city hub, where supposedly people are doing their quests, etc. This low level area, but it doesn't matter. I just want to show you the system performance while running the game, while running of plenty of other apps, and recording and streaming at 60 FPS 2K resolution. So if you have a similar system, you know that it will handle everything just fine. So this is going to be a little bit difficult for me. I'm not used to playing the game with just the mouse. But yeah, I'll try to kill a couple more things, maybe one, maybe two, I don't know. Let's see. And then I will run back to the city. And yeah, at this area I closed the window, or it was closed by itself. It's about 55, 58, let's just call it almost 60 FPS. And inside the city hub, where it has plenty of other online people, it drops about 30 to 40 FPS or thereabouts. And in my opinion, this is quite good performance, because I think most of the people just try to play the game and not record it and stream it at the same time. And yeah, still the performance is quite good. As you can see, remains above 40 FPS, now just dropped to 39, 40. And yeah, Good. So while now the system is running the game, I will try to explain to you before I will continue what is KaOS. So here I have the main page. Welcome to KaOS, a lean Qt distribution. KaOS is an independent, built from scratch Linux distribution focused on Qt. Then if you will go here in the news, you will land here. And this is very important to know. KaOS Dinit 2026-6 as 6th month as June. And this article was published on June 24. And this is the article basically. After almost 3 years of preparation and close to a year of trials, building, testing and rebuilding, KaOS is proud to present to you a first stable ISO that is fully Dinit based. For those interested in the reason why all these changes, please read Systemd and the future of KaOS. So yeah, if you like what you have been seeing in the past few days, and if you like what you will be seeing today or in the future, please try this cool Linux distribution. I love it myself. And thanks to it, I love Niri and Noctalia, of course, so much since then. Anyway, I'll go now ahead and try to load few more apps. Let's just start with my dock apps like this. I already have couple terminal open, so I'll skip them for now. And then I will keep on loading these apps. As you can see, the system is quite snappy, quite fast. And remember that I'm recording and streaming at the moment, 2K resolution, 60 FPS, and I'm having the game loaded as well. And yeah, as you can see, great performance all around. And also I'm having effects on the microphone and the camera. Extra stressing on the system, if you know what I mean. Anyway, so most of my dock apps are loaded. Let's move to another workspace and let's keep on going. Let's try to load more apps like another browser. Basically, I think this is based on, I think it's based on Firefox or something like that. This is the default Linux distribution, KaOS Linux distribution browser. Let's go with transmission, and then let's just load Flat Seal and Parabolic, of course. Always interesting apps to load. Parabolic. So yeah, right now, as you can see, I have all these apps and these workspaces loaded while I'm recording and streaming, and here is the game. As you can see, no problem at all. On a system that was never maintained, hardware wise, never maintained, never did any, you know, cleaning up, like blowing up even the dust, nothing. Trust me, it's an old system, about 6 years old, and I should have taken better care of it, but yeah, whatever. So let's keep on loading more apps, like, I don't know, Local Send, why not? What else? How about Krita? Yeah, why not? Krita. Also keep always in mind that I'm using my wallpaper jumper to have, you know, the wallpaper changing. Let me show you. So for example, right now we are on wallpaper 1144, so I'll go 1145. Boom. And also I'm using my, let's go 1150. And also I'm using my cursor factory. Nice wallpaper, this one. I will use my cursor factory to change this cursor to another one. So let's go with, I don't know, black magenta maybe. While I'm having the game loaded and all the apps. And the apps adhere to the cursor. It seems Krita is being stubborn, but I'm sure that if I will close and open the app again, most probably it will adjust to this cursor again, to this black magenta, see? So yeah, all these things are happening thanks to the things that I have in place myself. And let's just go and use Inkscape, not use, load Inkscape. Let's just, this is a good size for it. And let's just go with LibreOffice Writer, why not? And let's just have a test. For example, this is a test. As you can see, no problem at all. Amiga, boom, size, boom, just like that, no problem. Going back in the game now, sorry, just like that, no problem. And then let's just go again. Oh, keep always in mind, forgot to mention this, others that have been watching my streams or the videos, they know this already. On KaOS Linux I'm using this hack, let's just call it a hack of mine, in order to be able to stream or record with OBS Studio. It's the same thing for Flatpak or native version of OBS, but you need this one. So yeah, so far plenty of workspaces with plenty of apps loaded, and the system has like no issues at all. You love to see it. Here are the resources app, which shows the performance of the system. As you can see, I have maxed out the memory, but the CPU and the GPU still have plenty of power going on. So let's load a few more apps and then call it a test. Which one? Let's see here. GwenView, why not? Let's go with GwenView. And how about desktop pictures? Plenty of 4K, 2K, full HD pictures. Some of them, plenty of them, are even 5, 6 or 8K resolution images, and still, as you can see, no problem at all, just like that. While everything else is happening, no problem at all, browsing about 1200 images of high quality, high resolution, and jump between them just like that. Beautiful, you love to see it. Anyway, couple more apps maybe. How about PDF Arranger, why not? And let's just go with Joplin as well, or Joplin, however you pronounce it. So as you can see, truly an amazing system, an amazing Linux distribution. Now I will exit the game and start closing up the apps. Fantastic performance on a very hot day on an unmaintained system. Like no trouble at all. Why people are using Windows systems or even Mac OS systems, it's beyond me. Just use your older systems and install a proper Linux distribution. Give KaOS Linux a go, a test. Maybe you will be surprised, I don't know. So let's do it like this. I think this is better. Yeah, I think I need this one, and here we are, the last few remaining apps that I need to have loaded. What else there is to say? Did I forget something? Something maybe that I wanted to say? Most probably I have been forgetting something, but oh yeah, I reminded myself. So basically I can't do it right now properly, but I will try. So using the terminal in order to update the system. I have been doing this on my other Linux distributions in the past, but some of them, like for example KaOS, that they have implemented a similar solution in place. I didn't do it. So if you want to update this system, you just type these words here, like KaOS man, then type in your sudo password, and then the system will update if it has any updates, either system updates or flatpaks, like no problem at all. And yeah, that easy. One word, one password, done. So yeah, I have been preparing my guide as well. I think it's not finished just yet, but I'm getting there. And I think it's this one here, and it's about well, this is not the real size because it says 44 pages, but keep in mind that I have my Niri Noctalia configuration files there as well, so maybe this is closer, maybe, I don't know, closer to 30 pages maybe. I have a few things left to write in the guide, and it's almost there. So I will not be staying on KaOS Linux for many days yet, maybe 1, maybe 2 days, I don't know, and then I will see what to do about it. There is always some Linux distribution that I have already experienced in the past that I need to revisit. There is always a new distribution for me to test. There are like hundreds. So yeah, I've like maybe tested like dozen. And there is always the chance for me to go back on my MacBook Pro 2012 or MacBook Air 2012 and see how they are doing with Endeavour OS or Void Linux. Anyway, as always, thank you for everything, and see you on the next one. But before I go, because this is a very simple wallpaper, I will try to go to another one. Oh, perfect. Just in time to wave you a goodbye. Enjoy the view, and see you on the next one. Bye.